Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to expand your base in Palworld. Now, what do you mean by expand your base? Now, it's not making your base bigger, it's actually having more than one base. So if you go to your pal box here and press V for base upgrades, as you can see, I'm level 16. The max level of your base is at level 20. And every base level will have you do objectives. And as you can see, objectives for base 16 to 17 is build large pal bed. Now, how do you expand your base? Well, you need to reach level 10 to get your second expansion. So as you can see, your max number of bases 3 to 3, because by level 15, that's when you unlock your third base, right? So aside from number of bases you can expand to, you can also have max pals working at base. So these are the number of pals that can work at your base at any given time. As you can see, I'm at 15 already, so that's pretty much maxed out. Again, to get your second base, to get your second expansion, you will need to have your base at level 10, and then your third and final base expansion is going to be at level 15. After that, you're pretty much done. So that's pretty much how you create, base expansions. You need to knock out all the objectives that you have. Some of them are a bit tricky, but most of the time it's pretty easy to finish. And that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.